In today's video, we will see how to link your PS5, PS4 Roblox account to your phone. Quick login and cross-play setup. Method 1. Link using quick login. So open the Roblox on your PS5 or PS4. At the login screen, select quick login or log in with your another device. Now, on time code will appear on the TV and on your phone. Open the Roblox app or go to the official Roblox. Now quick login page while log into the Roblox account. Then you can go to settings. Now tap on quick login or choose use another device and enter the code shown on your console. Then review the request and tap grant full account access. Your PlayStation account will automatically sign in into the same Roblox account. Method 2. Sign in with your Roblox account. If your Roblox account already has a username, password or email or phone number, you can install and open the Roblox app on your phone. Tap login, enter the same Roblox username and password used on your PlayStation. Your progress, friend and Robux will sync automatically because they are stored on the Roblox account. Goodbye and thanks for watching.